Hi guys, welcome to my part shed. To fund my build, what I do is I buy, sell, repair, my parts, and I just put all that funds back into my build to keep the cost down. So stay tuned, because you never know, I might be repairing a part you may have what is damaged. I mean, my method is all trial and error. Practice makes perfect. So if you learn from my mistakes, then brilliant. If you learn from something I've succeeded with, fantastic. Today's going to be nothing exciting. I'm just going to be repairing some door pockets that I had spare. What I'll do is I'll repair them, take some photos and put them on eBay. So I might actually only get about £30 for the pair, which doesn't sound like a great deal. But once you've repaired a few items, listed a few items, then £30 still build up. And it also keeps your costs down. And this is most important. It's alright having these parts tucked away and breaking the bank. Why? So I'm going to go repair my door pockets now, and I'll show you the footage of how I've done it. So this is the item. It cost me £14.49 for the pair. I'll include the link now. Just to make it easier, I'll include the link at the end as well. First one. This one. Just fit one. Now for the second. There you go. Really happy with the way they look. As you can see, they fit absolutely perfect. And then you just mount your speakers there. Brilliant. So guys, as you know, they are now repaired. What I'll do now is I'll take some photos, get them listed on eBay, and hopefully get them sold to fund my next part. Another thing before I go, I've just had confirmation that another part has been delivered. I'm really excited for it. I don't want to give too much away, but I've had to remove my centre console. Right guys, so I've got some parts to list, so that's enough for me for one day. If there's any topics you want to talk about in the future, just drop us a comment. So guys, I'll see you later. I'd love to stop and say, but I'll have to put the kettle on.